Okay guys, update to the chaos. So I have one box done. I cleared off that shelf, and this shelf here, that is like oils and stuff, so I'm gonna put those in a Ziploc bag before I put them in a box. As you can see, there's still a ton to go. So yeah, but we got this. What up guys? I really wish I had bought my actual camera so it wasn't just my phone, but at the same time, like, I've been filming a lot of this on my phone, so whatever. If you're watching this, you guys, God has been incredible. And I'm trying to decide if I want to do like a whole separate video on like how he literally has gotten me to this place. But as you can tell by the title, I'm moving. Oh my god, like obviously you can see the boxes in the back, so I literally went and picked those up last night. So I've not packed anything up as it stands. Today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. I am visiting the place today, and then I'm supposed to come back and sign the lease tomorrow. But yeah, so literally this time last week, like, I just wanted to move. Like, I had no plans, no places, like nothing, absolutely nothing. And in a single week, God has provided so much, so much. Like, he gets all the glory in this situation, all the glory in this situation. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go to their apartment, and I may take you guys along. I may just film an empty apartment tour tomorrow before I like start moving stuff in. I haven't told anybody, like nobody knows, and I'm low-key nervous. And it's crazy because when I tell y'all I can't hold water, like I cannot hold water, but I felt God was telling me to be silent in this and just, you know, let this happen the way he wanted it to happen before I spoke on it. So I haven't said anything to anybody, and it's been difficult. You guys, I'm so thankful, and I'm so, like, I was gonna start crying on the way over here because I was just like talking out loud, and I realized like the entire week long, like this entire process, I've been a ball of nerves, but I like kept reminding myself of like just quoting scriptures back to myself, you know, like he didn't give me a spirit of fear, but of power, love, sound mind, like just giving myself scripture to keep me calm. And it's like God has been so good because he put this on me a while ago to move, and I made the mistake of opening my mouth and talking to people about it. Fast forward anyway, so this time, like when all of this happened, I knew it was him moving in it, but I was still just like, it's crazy how incredible he's been, because like in every step of the way, like every time that I would start to get anxious, it's like he would put somebody in my path that would encourage me, or that would tell me something, or like it literally, they would speak to whatever it was that I was thinking in my head at that time. And it's just like, that's how I know it's all him. It's all him. It is all him. So it's gonna be a crazy few weeks because it's literally December. Today's December 1st, so yeah. And I have packed up pretty much nothing. And that's my own fault, because again, God had told me months ago, like, prepare to move. Like, he had sent prophetic words saying, like, prepare to move. It's it's time to move. And I didn't really like put too much into it. And so now I'm reaping the benefits of that. I'm all sarcastic right there, you know. And that's on me. That's completely on me, because he did tell me to move, and everything was like, it's going to be suddenly. And to me, suddenly is like, I don't know, but it did happen suddenly, because legit, it's just, I'm not going to go into all of that. All right, so let me go.
Yeah, it works.
What up, guys? So let me mute that before I get flagged. It is 1:15 in the morning, and I am in my apartment, and I have no furniture, save, you can't see it, but let me show you that chair, that one chair right there. Okay, that is the only piece of furniture that I have in my apartment that is put together. I have, what else do I have? I was able to get a lot of my kitchen appliances like set up. I'm actually making truffles right now, so I look a mess. Like, girl, we look tragic. To be honest, today did not go at all like I thought it was gonna go, and I'm sad about it. But I mean, it is what it is. You know, I can't change facts, and at this point, like, I knew how everything would go down. I just hoped that it would go down a little differently than it did. So that's on me. It's 1:15. I have to be at work at 9 a.m. And I made the mistake of starting this dishwasher, and I've never used a dishwasher before, so I stupidly did not pick the 1 hour wash. I should have. I'll know for next time to do 1 hour wash. But I accidentally put the pieces to the food processor in the dishwasher, so I can't make any of the truffles until I get those pieces out the dishwasher. So we're just gonna wait until the dishwasher is finished, and I need to look at the recipes so I can kind of see what's going on there, and I need to go get a charger because my phone is about to die, and life is just amazing here in apartment 106. So love that for me. What up, guys? It's the fact that I continue to get on this internet, okay? Looking like I'm looking, but whatever. My mattress is here. I swear I thought I had a 10-inch, but clearly I am wrong because it definitely says 12, so whatever. I'm trying to cut it open. Alright.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue.
Ooh, let me fix y'all. Okay, guys, so the bed is like breathing, whatever. So that's what she looks like. It's supposed to be 12 inches. I just laid on her. She is so soft. the frame won't be here until Tuesday, so I'm probably just gonna leave the plastic on until like the frame gets here. But I'm thinking I might want to keep it here, and then that will allow me to set up my makeup stuff on this side, and maybe even my office. I don't know. When I first came here to tour, I thought it was gonna be like, I thought it was a lot smaller than it actually is. So let me mute that before I get a copyright strike. So I thought it was gonna be smaller than it's turning out to be. Can I zoom out? Oh my god, that could have saved me like 20 minutes. Okay, so I thought it was gonna be smaller, but as I'm like sitting in here, definitely the bedroom is bigger than I imagined. But I think it's also because like in my room at home, there's so much stuff. So if you've seen in my room, I am thinking of putting right here in this corner, I have a tall white bookshelf from, oh, this nigga's waiting on me, my bad. A tall white bookshelf with like all of my beauty supplies on it. So I think I'm gonna put that there, and then mattress here, maybe bring it over a little and center it underneath the window. And then over in this side, I'm gonna put the beauty stuff. And then here, I don't know yet. TV has to go somewhere too, so I don't know. But I am going to go get food because I'm starving, and we went to a church thing tonight, and I just, it wasn't giving what I needed it to give, so we're gonna go. Charles has my keys, which also has my wallet, so we're good.